Looking for an effortless way to keep your bathroom sparkling clean? The best scrubber for bathtub makes scrubbing tough stains and grime quick and easy. Discover a cleaner, fresher bathtub without any hassle or elbow grease. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Leebein Scrubber for Bathtub. The Leebein Scrubber for Bathtub is a versatile and powerful cleaning companion designed to make bathroom maintenance effortless. Equipped with 8 interchangeable brush heads, it caters to almost every cleaning scenario in your home. From flat brushes for large surfaces like tile floors and walls, to corner brushes perfect for grout, faucets, and tight edges, this scrubber leaves no area untouched. It even includes cloth and sponge heads for wooden floors, furniture, and windows, and can surprisingly double as a car polisher. The scrubber features a Type-C fast charging system and a battery-level display, providing 90 minutes of continuous operation after just 3 hours of charging. This makes it ideal for tackling even large bathrooms or multiple cleaning tasks without interruptions. Its adjustable 12 to 54-inch telescopic handle allows you to reach high, low, and awkward spaces without bending or straining your back, effectively reducing joint pressure. Additionally, the scrubber offers 2 speed settings, 300 RPM and 400 RPM, to customize cleaning intensity. With its IPX7 waterproof design, the brush heads can be rinsed directly under a faucet without risk of damage. Lightweight yet powerful, the Leebein Scrubber for Bathtub transforms laborious scrubbing into a quick, efficient, and comfortable cleaning experience, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable, multifunctional, and ergonomic electric spin scrubber. Its combination of versatility, power, and thoughtful design truly sets it apart in the crowded market of bathtub cleaning tools. Number 2. HOTO Scrubber for Bathtub. The HOTO Scrubber for Bathtub is engineered for precision and efficiency, bringing advanced technology into everyday cleaning. Unlike traditional scrubbers, it features a state-of-the-art RTK Plus 4 iVision positioning system, which ensures highly accurate navigation even in challenging areas like corners, edges, or spaces under cabinets. This technology eliminates the frustration of missing spots or inefficient cleaning paths. HOTO's scrubber is designed for hands-free operation with its automatic mapping and adaptive cruise control that guides the scrubber along optimized cleaning routes. Its intelligent obstacle detection system ensures that objects, pets, or delicate surfaces are avoided, giving you a safer and more worry-free cleaning experience. The scrubber also supports multi-zone and no-go zone management, which means you can set restricted areas and monitor the cleaning process remotely through a smart app. Its intelligent hosting mode allows you to schedule and control cleaning sessions even when you are not home, adapting to seasonal or spatial requirements with minimal intervention. The HOTO Scrubber for Bathtub combines advanced robotics with user-friendly controls, making it suitable for tech-savvy homeowners who value precision and efficiency. Its innovative approach ensures consistent results, reduces manual labor, and offers peace of mind, making it a top choice for anyone looking for a smart, automated, and highly capable bathtub cleaning solution. Number 3. Qimedo 1500 RPM Scrubber for Bathtub. The Qimedo 1500 RPM Scrubber for Bathtub stands out for its high-speed performance and ergonomic design, offering one of the most efficient cleaning experiences in the market. With 3 adjustable speed modes, 800, 1000, and 1500 RPM, this scrubber provides exceptional power, especially in max mode, which is far superior to many competitors. Its effortless handle reduces weight by 30%, making high-speed cleaning manageable without strain. The scrubber is equipped with 8 versatile brush heads, including soft bristle and replaceable cloth brushes, allowing it to handle nearly all household cleaning tasks, from bathtubs and tiles to wooden floors and furniture. A smart display conveniently shows battery percentage and power mode, alerting users when charging is needed, while its IPX7 waterproof design enables direct washing under faucets. The 50-inch adjustable telescopic handle and 45 degrees adjustable brush head allow easy access to walls, floors, and other hard-to-reach areas, reducing the need to bend or stretch excessively. Powered by a high-capacity 2000 mAh battery that delivers up to 120 minutes of continuous operation, this scrubber ensures uninterrupted cleaning, even for deep, time-consuming tasks. Lightweight yet powerful, The Qimedo 1500 RPM scrubber for bathtub combines speed, flexibility, and durability, making it ideal for anyone seeking a high-performance electric spin scrubber that saves time and energy while delivering professional-grade results in the home. Number 4. Qimedo scrubber for bathtub. The Qimedo scrubber for bathtub is a high-performance, durable, and versatile cleaning solution that delivers outstanding results in any bathroom environment. Its 3 speed modes, 800, 1000, and 1200 RPM, combined with an effortless multi-angle handle, reduce strain while maximizing cleaning power, making it perfect for tackling stubborn grime and hard-to-reach areas. Its large 5-inch brush head and IPX7 waterproof design enable efficient coverage and safe operation in wet environments, while the 8 included brushes, for soft bristle and 4 cloth, accommodate a wide range of cleaning needs. One of the scrubber's standout features is its 6,000 mAh high-capacity battery, which provides up to 6 hours of continuous operation across 2 batteries, allowing deep cleaning sessions without interruptions. The smart display keeps you informed of battery life and power mode, enhancing convenience and usability. With a 50-inch adjustable telescopic handle, users can reach floors, walls, and other challenging spots comfortably. This scrubber combines power, efficiency, and ergonomic design, providing a thorough cleaning experience while saving time and energy. Its durable construction ensures long-term reliability, while its innovative design allows for effortless handling, making it a great choice for busy households seeking a high-quality, dependable electric scrubber. The Qimedo scrubber for bathtub delivers professional-grade results in an easy-to-use package that elevates home cleaning to a stress-free experience. Number 5. UPMSX scrubber for bathtub. The UPMSX scrubber for bathtub is a versatile and practical electric spin scrubber designed to tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks efficiently. Equipped with 8 multifunctional brush heads, it can clean bathtub-style floors, toilets, kitchens, glass surfaces, wooden floors, and even car tires, making it a true all-in-one cleaning tool. Its adjustable aluminum alloy telescopic handle extends from 16 inches to 53 inches, allowing users to clean high, low, and hard-to-reach areas comfortably while reducing strain on the back and arms. Powered by a high-torque motor with 3 speed modes, 250, 350, 450 RPM, the UPMSX scrubber effectively removes stubborn dirt, grime, and soap scum for professional-grade results. It features an IPX7 waterproof design and LED display, allowing safe operation in wet environments while keeping you informed of battery status. The scrubber's long-lasting dual 2,600 mAh batteries provide up to 200 minutes of continuous use, and its Type-C fast charging capability ensures minimal downtime. Lightweight yet durable, this scrubber makes bathroom and household cleaning effortless while offering excellent flexibility and efficiency. Its thoughtful design, combined with powerful performance and multiple brushes, makes the UPMSX scrubber for bathtub a reliable and convenient solution for homeowners seeking a comprehensive cleaning tool that delivers consistent, thorough, and hassle-free results every time. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.